faster course as she seems to be on the camera. Now what am I getting? Now there's a bit of obstruction here, I'm not getting clear air, but let's just see what I'm getting in miles per hour. You see there, I don't think so. 10, 16, 60, gusts up to 16 miles per hour there. 7, 10, so 16.7 now. 16, 21, 21.8 there now, which will be coming up to max that gust. 14. Well, I'm just using one of these sort of pipe clamps that photographers use for mounting cameras and monitors, and just a little extension bar there and have everything tied on just so this is just to see whether she's going around, and we'll see what she's going to do. I had to put an extension there, an extension cable back to the leisure batteries. The battery is at 12.5 now. I'm drawing 5 amps with the fridge off it just to get it down to a reasonable voltage, so it's not a fully charged battery. Okay, that's the highest I've seen so far, 360, 370. Expecting a lot more. Okay, I have foul air. I'm going to try it out in the field on a tripod one of these days, but just a quick test to see. The intention would be long term to put up on a pole on the stern there, and I pre-ordered the swivel or the yaw mount with the fin tail. Now there's yeah, that's more like it, 420, yeah, 394. I can't be out there monitoring the gusts at the same time as being in here. The only thing I'll say for it is it's fairly constant. Sometimes my 3 or 5 bladed wind turbines, they stop and don't produce anything, and then they'll go up to 5, 6, 700 milliamps and then come back down again. Now there's a good blow there coming. 460, 500, 550, 550, yeah. Okay, I'll try it out in the field another day now on the tripod, where there'll be clearer air. Okay, out here now in the field, giving it a go on a tripod, and I'm using a couple of camping pegs and guy ropes just to hold it into place, and the wind is coming in that direction. I have it now connected up to a little battery bank. That's a 14 ampere hour 12 volt deep cycle battery. I discharged some of the load of it, and this little solar thing here, but that's only to shut off the load if the battery goes low. It has no other function. We're connected directly in here. We're connected directly into the battery. At the moment, what have we got? So 400 there for a while. Now there's a good breeze today now, so this could be a good test of it. What are we getting? 10. 4. 13. 's all miles per hour now. 17.5, 16, 17, 18, oh, 24, 23, 24, Disgusting, yeah. So like there's enough there now to give us an idea. Whizzing around there now. It's not the strongest of bracket arrangements, is it? Yeah. But I did tighten that up on it. Keep the cable away. Oh, that's whizzing. What are we getting now, Muff? Not there now. Yeah, wait now to see. I don't see 1,000 though. With those big gusts to the max. Wind there now. I mean, if I was going in at 1 amp, at 12, that'd be 12.5 watts and allow a bit for losses. Yeah, I would expect to be getting up around 1 amp if it's generating 15 watts. I've altered the direction of the turbine more to try and suit what's coming over with the clouds there. Let me just see. Okay, I've been observing this now for the best part of half an hour. What I can see at about 15-16 miles per hour, I'm getting about that now, about 400 knots, maybe touching 5. She did go up to 700 milliamps just for a moment at one stage. Now it is charging the battery. We started 12.5, I suppose an hour ago, if it's even an hour, and it is bringing the battery up. So if you had a battery you just wanted charging, she'd do the job, but if you wanted to be drawing off it at the same time, I don't know. Yeah, so that's it. I'll wait for the yaw system so that I can be constantly pointing into the wind before and put it up on the pole. And then there's a gust there now. So I'll get an energy meter on it. It's fairly constant. It's certainly the best of that I've had so far. Now there's over 700 there now, gust. It's certainly the best of any of the ones I've had so far of these portable turbines. If I was starting off again now, this is the one I would purchase. I wouldn't purchase any of the others, because this also gives you the option to put it into the water. This would be the sort of the wind conditions. It would be designed for just topping up at 16, 20 miles per hour. What are we getting here? 12.9 is it? We started about 12.5. As I say, it's the best of the ones I've had so far. So I'll say Tommy Soxton.